In February, I was representing some buyers who were interested in purchasing a property in Kingstown that came on the market at $1 million. Now, we offered $1.1 million and we lost to an offer that was for $1.163 million, right? So my clients essentially were beat out by $63,000. If you're selling your property, one thing you're probably starting to think about is, am I listing my property too low? There are three ways to price your property: below market value, at market value, or over market value. Each way has its own incentive. But in this video, we're not going to focus on the three ways you can price your property. We're going to talk about how do you study the market to determine your market price. The first thing we look at is the last 6 months of sales. When we're looking at this data from the past, we're trying to figure out a pattern. The pattern we're trying to see is how quickly are prices increasing in this market. In the Kingstown area, or the 22315 zip code, prices increased almost 6% last year. When you're selling your property, you want to ask yourself, can I get some of that increase before the time comes? The second set of data we're going to look at is active and pending listings. When we're looking at active listings, we want to see how much higher active listings are coming on the market than their peers. Just recently, I sold a 2-bedroom townhouse in Kingstown where the nearest highest sale was at $565. So we came on at $565 as well, but then we got $570 for that property. Could we have priced that property at $570 and still received $570? I'm not certain, because the $565 price was already the highest sales price for a 2-bedroom townhouse in that area at the time. So we were already at the top of the market. But these are the risks you have to consider when you're pricing your property at or above the market. So after you look at the active listings and you see the pattern of how much more active listings are coming on the market, now we want to look at the pending listings. When we're looking at pending listings, we're trying to see how quickly did these pending listings go under contract. The last thing you want to consider when you're pricing your property is your risk tolerance. If you have a low risk tolerance, then pricing either below the market or at the market may give you the best desired result, because you know you'll get some offers very quickly. But in this market where we're getting multiple bids and escalation offers, it may benefit you to take a little risk on your property by listing it a little higher. There is no reward if you don't take any risk. Property that I mentioned that came on the market at $1 million that sold for $1.163 million, they took a risk. By going low, they were able to get more money for the property. But if no one else bid on that property, they would have only gotten $1 million. If you have any questions about real estate in the Kingstown area, reach out to me. My name is Abraham Walker, your neighbor and a real estate agent in this area. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.